subject EVS. In last video we have started with unit 6, water is life, right? We have learned so many things about water, how the villagers are celebrating the water festivals. When the rainwater is coming in the rivers and lakes, they are celebrating as a festival, they are keeping holidays. Yes, the new bride in the city areas, when the new bride is coming, that new bride is worshipping the water and wind also. So ये सारी चीजें हम लोग cover up कर चुके हैं, and we have learned about the so many different uses of water that we are doing. Now today the new things, that topic which we are going to start, that is how we get water. हमें water मिलता कहाँ से? So in the last video we have learned uses, क्या होता है, what is the importance, but how we get the water. So there are so many different types to get the water. Sources बहुत सारे हैं हमारे पास water collect करने के, right? In the village areas there is a different source, in the city areas there is a different source to get the water. And yes, earlier age, what was the sources to get the water? पहले के टाइम पे तो टैप्स नहीं होते थे डायरेक्टली टैप में से पानी आ जाए. No, how they were getting the water at the earlier age, that we will learn today. So there are so many sources. One by one I will explain you and I will show you the photograph also of these topics. Okay. Water tanker. Yes, the water tanker maybe you have seen sometimes coming in house nearby the streets. आपके घर के आसपास में कोई जो streets हैं यानी गलियां हैं, there the big one water tankers are coming and they are providing water to each and every house. यहाँ तो वो ऐसा करते हैं, they are standing to the corner of the street and all persons are coming there to collect the water from that water tanker. That type of water tanker. You can see the photo also of water tanker like this. The water tankers are coming nearby your streets. Next is fetch water from well. Directly well में से पानी निकालना. For that also I show you the photograph. This is a photograph of well. कैसे well में से एक lady पानी निकाल रही है या so many person. Lady हो, बच्चा हो या any person can take out the water from well. वो bucket को अंदर डालते हैं and with the help of rope they are weighing the water up. Get water from half an hour at home. अच्छा, ये भी सिस्टम होता है, पता है काफी सारे घर पे है ना, some persons home is connected with the pipeline of गवर्नमेंट की पाइपलाइन के साथ उनका कनेक्शन किया हुआ होता है, and regularly morning half an hour and evening half an hour they are getting the water at home. उनके घर पर एक सेपरेट टैप होता है which is called as, maybe वो गवर्नमेंट का टैप होता है. From that particular one tap only they are getting half an hour morning and half an hour evening tap water. उस टैप में से वो आधा घंटा पानी आता है and then the persons are collecting it in the tank or in the buckets. Okay. Then hand pump. Yes, for this I want to show you first of all the photograph of hand pump. This is the hand pump. This is not used in the regular basis in the city areas. City areas में आपको ये hand pump बहुत कम, rarely हमें कहीं दिखाई देता है. But in the village areas the persons are using this hand pump to take the water from the अंडरग्राउंड में जो वाटर है या जो सेव किया हुआ है वो वाटर को ऊपर खींचने के लिए वो हैंड पंप का यूज किया जाता है. देन इज कनेक्टेड पंप डायरेक्टली. यस, ये भी इसके जैसा सिमिलर हो गया. कैसे? डायरेक्टली उनका जो पाइपलाइन है वो कनेक्टेड होता है गवर्नमेंट के साथ एंड व्हेनेवर गवर्नमेंट विल प्रोवाइड द वाटर उनको डायरेक्टली पंप में से पानी मिल सकता है. मोटर पंप. यस, मोटर पंप. दिस इज वन काइंड ऑफ मशीन. आई वांट टू शो द फोटोग्राफ टू यू. दिस इज अ मशीन. This machine can fetch the water from the underground. वो क्या करती है, जो पानी अंडरग्राउंड में है, that water it is trying to get up. वो अंडरग्राउंड में से पानी को ऊपर खींचती है and then that water is coming out through the pipe and that water we are collecting. So this is also the one kind to collect the water from the motor pump. Water from canal. Yes, this is specially used in villages only. कैसे यूज होता है? Persons, the ladies of the families are going to the nearby canal or nearby the lake and they are collecting the water in the pot. वो एक pot लेकर वहाँ जाती है and they are collecting the water in that and they are carrying it on the head, on the hands, shoulders पे लेके या head पे लेके वो water को लेकर आती है. You can observe this picture. Then water from taps. Yes, this is the very easy task that we are getting, right? Taps में से बस tap on करो, we got the water. Yes. At home, at your home, at your friends home, आपकी फैमिली में जो भी persons हैं, especially in the city areas, town areas, we are getting this source to get the water. हमारे पास यही एक source होता है जहाँ से हमें पानी मिल सकता है directly. We are switching on the tap and water is coming. और otherwise connected to the pump directly. Pump जो directly connected होता है. This is the three methods that in the especially normal city areas it is used. Get water for half an hour at home. Second, connected pump directly, and then water from the taps. These are the three sources of water for the city areas persons. Especially if we have talked about cities, okay. So water tank is also used sometimes for the city areas person to collect the water. Sometimes ऐसा होता है उनके घर पे टैप में से पानी नहीं आ रहा है, और otherwise they are not getting the direct pump solution, so they are giving the importance to water tank and they are getting the water from water tank. But especially in the village areas, which sources are there? So that is for well, then hand pump and motor pump. These are the main sources to get the water from the in the village areas. The persons or villagers, they are using this sources to get the water. Okay. So now let's start with the new and the last topic of your lesson, that is water is life. And the last topic is water is must for everyone. Yes. इस टॉपिक के नेम से यू कैन कम टू नो दैट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस टॉपिक. यस, वाटर इज मस्ट फॉर एवरीवन, वेदर इट इज एनिमल, बर्ड्स, ह्यूमन बींग्स, किसी के लिए भी, इवन वी कैन इंक्लूड द प्लांट्स ऑल्सो. द वाटर इज द मेन नीड फॉर देम. इफ दे विल नॉट गेट द वाटर, the plants will not grow, the animals will not live for the long life, the human beings can't live, the birds can't live without the water. So water is must for everyone. But here in this topic we are going to talk about a human being, a person who is living in Rajasthan. Darki Mai lives in a village of Rajasthan. Where she lives? She lives in a village, district is Almer something, or that in that village is located in Rajasthan. She is living in that village. The name is Darki Mai. Looking after her home and animals. What is the work of her? Regular the whole day she is doing the work. वो अपने animals को चराने लेकर जाती है for home persons, यानी उसके जो घर के लोग हैं, for them she is preparing food and all day she is doing the homework. But at the night time what she is doing, looking after her home and animals, whole day she is looking like that कि वो उनका टेक केयरेंस करती है. What is the meaning of looking after? Looking after it means to take care of their animals and their home also. वो अपने घर का और अपने एनिमल्स का पूरा अच्छे से ख्याल रखती है for whole of the day. Whole night to pull water from well. What she is doing at the whole night? वो पूरी रात क्या करती है? She is trying to pull water. It means to get the water out from the well. उसके घर के आसपास एक well है, एक कुआं है जहाँ से वो पूरी रात पानी खींचती रहती है. Why? Because she needs much water. उसको पानी ज़्यादा चाहिए for her also, for the family members and for her animals also, क्योंकि animals को भी पानी की ज़रूरत होती है. So whole night she is doing to pull water from the well. वो well में से पानी निकालती रहती है for whole of the night, and then on the next day she is using that water. This was her regular life. But this water in well, how it is coming? कभी आपने सोचा है wells में पानी कहाँ से आता है? Yes, we have talked about rainwater collection, right? So well is also one kind of source to get the rainwater collected. हमें उसको जो भी rain पड़ती है, whenever monsoon season is coming, so whenever the rain is coming, that rainwater is collected in the wells and step wells. Wells और step wells में उन पानी को इकट्ठा किया जाता है, collect किया जाता है, and then the village persons are using it for whole of the year. Okay, so here happened the same situation. Darki Mai was living in Rajasthan where the rain is coming very less, बहुत little rainfall होता है वहाँ पर. So whenever she needs the water, so she is going to the well and taking out the water. If wells get dried up, they had to leave the village. अब क्या होता है? Suppose in the summer season, you know, in summer season the climate is very hot and the water is not coming by the rain. Rain तो आएगी नहीं summer season में, and whichever water is available in the well, वो भी धीरे धीरे करके सूखने लगता है. It means the well gets dried up, यानी वो सूख जाता है. So what the Darki Mai will do? अब वो क्या करेगी? Now they had to leave the village. What she has to do? Now she has to leave the village with the family members and with her animals. वो उसको अपने सारे family members और animals को लेके फिर दूसरी जगह पे दूसरे किसी village में रहने जाना पड़ता है, where she gets the proper amount of water. Why she needs to change the village? कभी सोचा है हमने कि यार हमें पानी नहीं मिलेगा तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We also have to change the place. Suppose आप किसी सोसाइटी में रह रहे हो and then society में the main member, chairman person has told you that 1 week water will not come. So what will be your situation? आप क्या करोगे? You will try to get it from different sources. आप अपने friends से, अपने relatives से water मंगवाते हो, right? That you can do. But in villages, Darki Mai is very poor. वो बहुत ही poor है. and she is trying to take care of her home also, family members and the animals. But अब वेल ही ड्राई हो गया है, इट मीन्स द कुआं ही पूरा उसमें से सूख गया है, पानी नहीं है. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, दे हैव टू चेंज द विलेज. उनको अपना विलेज छोड़कर फिर किसी दूसरे विलेज में जाना पड़ता है. सो व्हाट शी डिड, here in villages there are some groups of person and that persons are doing the work to bring the water for the poor persons. वो क्या करते हैं, different persons को जहाँ पर भी पानी की ज़रूरत होती है, they are giving them the water. It means they have the special hard work, they have the group in which that all the persons together they are doing the work of to provide the water to needy persons. Needy persons को वो water provide करते हैं, ऐसा एक उनका group बना हुआ था. Okay, so here some groups work hard to provide water to all these persons. ऐसे सारे लोगों को वो लोग water provide करते थे. तो यहाँ पर उस ग्रुप का नाम क्या है, लेट मी टेल यू, तरुण भारत संघ. दिस इज द ग्रुप नेम, ये उनके ग्रुप का नेम है. व्हाट इज द नेम, तरुण भारत संघ. दिस इज द ग्रुप नेम. व्हाट द वर्क दे आर डूइंग, दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग वाटर टू द नीडी पर्सन्स. जिन भी पर्सन्स को वाटर की नीड होती है, दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग देम वाटर. So what the Durkheim did? Durkheim now she came to know suddenly कि ऐसे कोई ग्रुप्स भी होते हैं जो पानी प्रोवाइड करते हैं. So she went to the group and she requested them, please provide some water to my family and to my animals because they are getting die. अब वो धीरे धीरे करके मरते जा रहे हैं without the water. So please provide me water. So she has took the help of Tarun Bharat Sangh, the group of persons who are providing water. Together people made a lake. अब क्या किया इन्होंने solution? See, earlier age we were not having the taps के चलो टैप ऑन करो और पानी आ गया. No, earlier the persons were using well water, step well, lakes, rivers, उन सब में से वो पानी लेकर आते थे. So what they have decided to do, ये सारे ग्रुप ने एंड विलेज पर्सन्स ने साथ में डिसाइड किया, टुगेदर पीपल मेड अ लेक. उन्होंने क्या बनाया, अपने विलेज में एक लेक बनाया. हाउ दे हैव मेड द लेक, दे हैव डिगिंग, दे आर कंटिन्यूसली डिगिंग टू द सॉइल. और वो इतना अच्छे डीप तक डिग कर देते हैं कि लेक विल कम आउट, थोड़ा सा पानी ऊपर आने लगता है. एंड देन द रेन वाटर, व्हेनेवर रेन विल कम, द रेन वाटर विल बी कलेक्टेड इन दैट लेक. और अगर उस लेक में पानी कलेक्ट हो जाएगा तो फॉर होल ऑफ द ईयर दे कैन यूज दैट लेक वाटर. ऐसा एक सॉल्यूशन उस ग्रुप ने उनको निकाल कर दिया था. वाटर प्रॉब्लम इज नाउ लेस. अब वाटर प्रॉब्लम धीरे धीरे करके कम होने लगी है. इफ वी विल टॉक अबाउट टुडेज डेज ऑल्सो, नॉर्मली नाउ डेज देर आर सो मेनी पर्सन स्टिल दे आर इन द नीड ऑफ वाटर. बट वाटर अब ऐसी चीज हो गई है कि नियर बाय ऑल द पर्सन्स, काफी सारी जगहों में आपने देखा होगा द ब्लैक वन पॉट्स, बिग वन पॉट्स आर कीपिंग फॉर द वाटर. काफ़ी सारी ओपन जगहों पे रखा जाता है फॉर द ट्रैवलर्स, फॉर द पुअर पर्सन्स हु नीड द वाटर. सो दीज आर फैसिलिटीज गवर्नमेंट इज गिविंग टू द पर्सन्स हु आर नॉट गेटिंग द प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ water. So that is also one kind of group, that is Tarun Bharat Sangh, who is providing water to the needy persons. Okay, so today what the topics we have completed, that is the Durkheim topic in which we have learned about the water is must for everyone. आज हमने क्या सीखा कि water सबके लिए जरूरी होता है, right, for all the persons whether it is poor or rich. And yes, the first topic that we have covered in this video, the sources to get the water. हमने कहाँ से पानी के बारे में पढ़ा, हैंड पंप, मोटर पंप, डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द वेल, डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन टू द पाइपलाइन, ऐसे करके सारे सोर्सेज हमने आज लर्न किए हैं. ओके, सो थैंक यू एवरीवन. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल कंटिन्यू विद द नेक्स्ट यूनिट. थैंक यू.